Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable multiplayer in Replit. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Replit account, and then here on the left hand panel choose your app. Once you've chosen your app, come here to the top right, and I want you to click on this icon with a person and a plus icon. That will go ahead and open up multiplayers. Now you can go ahead and add specific people by username or email. You can type in their name right here, or you can go ahead and enter their email address and then click here on invite. So that person, as you can see, has been invited. They have been added so they can join. And whenever they make any changes, you will be able to see all the changes your collaborators make in real time. You could also create a private join link. So if I toggle this one on, a join link is created. You can copy this join link and share it with people to go ahead and join and make changes as a collaborator. But that is how to enable multiplayer in Replit.